trans swap, cam, and clutch upgrade part 2. If you haven't seen part 1, please go watch it. In this video, I'm going to be pulling the motor out. And just a quick update, we took the differential, trans, and torque tube out of the base. And we're going to be swapping it out for the TR6060. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. This is the new diff, new trans, and then the old setup is over here. I'm going to flip that around. Over here, we're going to be pulling the motor out. I already dropped the cradle. Got our support on it. That way it clears the rack and pinion. And I have everything disconnected, so we're pretty much ready to pull it out. What's up, guys? It is now 12 a.m. and getting ready to take this motor out with my brother. And there you have it. I had to rest the motor on one of my spare tires because I didn't have bolts long enough to mount the motor onto the engine stand, so I'm gonna have to get some bolts tomorrow. Not too bad. Gonna swap out the clutch and the cam. Throw it back on. She is filthy under here. Good morning. It is now 8:30 and we are right back to it. So I picked up the bolt for the engine stand, the bolts for the engine stand, and along with the balancer puller. So now I'm going to go ahead and take off the old flywheel, pressure plate, clutch. That way I'm not fighting it while the motor's on the stand. Got the clutch and flywheel assembly out, and it looks nasty under here. I don't know where that's leaking from. But I'm going to end up replacing the rear main seal and the Ooypad gasket. Here's the old clutch. It doesn't look as bad as I was thinking, but it's still pretty beat up. Oh, man. Getting rid of that. And here we have the, it says Chrysler on it, but it still works with Chevy engines. This is the Harmonic Balance puller. Gonna throw that on there, get that out, and then take the timing chain cover off and get to the cam. Like I said, this is a harmonic balancer for Chrysler, but it still works though. It's the best AutoZone has to offer. I use the socket as a buffer. That way the stud doesn't go straight into the crank. And I mean, it does its job, so. Got the timing chain cover off. Now I'm gonna lower the oil pan so I can slide the oil pump out and then take the sprocket out and then the cam. When you have your top dead center set, both of the markings on the sprockets will be facing each other, and also your dowel guiding pin will be at the 3 o'clock position. Because I'm doing a cam swap, when I take the heads off, I went ahead and got these lifter retaining tools, Powerhouse, got it from Amazon. It was about 60 bucks. This will help us make sure that the lifters stay in place as we slide the cam out, or else the lifters are gonna fall into the block. Day 3 in the garage, and after sleeping on it, so my initial plan was to just use the lifter retaining tool, slide the cam out, swap out the cam, throw the front end back together, do the clutch, throw it back in. But I figured it'd be best if I did lifters. I didn't do the lifters in San Diego when I first did the head cam, so I figured I'd just knock it out now. I still gotta drop the oil pan so I can swap out the gasket along with the rear main seal and the rear main seal cover. It looks janky under there. I'm not sure which lifters I'm going with just yet. I was looking at the Morale link bar, And with those, I can delete the lifter bucket. One less thing to worry about. I might get those. I don't know yet. Either that or just factory LS7 lifters. Call it a day. The ARP head bolts already came in along with the crank bolt. Ordered it from Summit along with the Ooypad gasket. The head gasket I got from Texas Speed. It was like $45 a pop. Heads are off, and not to get to the lifters. I was thinking about it, and in order to get each individual lifter out, I would need to slide this rod out just the right amount to take out each lifter one at a time. That, or I could just go ahead and just throw the B3 cam in. That way it'll hold the lifters in place and I can just pull them out without any worries. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. Install the cam on both of the lifter trays. As I was setting the lifter out, I realized that cylinder 6, the intake lifter, is stuck in the port. I did some research and I read that I could damage the bore by trying to force it out. So with the oil pan off, I try to look under there to see if I had a clean line of sight. I'm gonna try to push that through and hopefully I can recover it, or it just falls out the bottom. If not, this could turn into a built block real soon, because if I have to send this out, it's not coming back factory. Screw that. So we'll see. Show you guys what I'm dealing with here. So grab it and it just, see it? That's it. It ain't budging. So I'm gonna push it through and hopefully it falls out the bottom. Oh Lord, I didn't have to build this block so soon, but let's see. It's in there. Whoo, that's crazy. All right, going through the last. Come here. God, it's crazy. We got it right there. I'm glad my boy Dajon talked me into doing his lifters, because this would have been a bigger issue down the line for sure. Appreciate that, bro. It's crazy. So we do have damages in the bore. I don't know if you guys can see that gouge. There's two of them. I'm trying to shine some light indirectly. That way I don't blind you guys, but yeah, it's right there. That concludes the show for today. I'm gonna have to go do some research on this. Here's a lifter. I'm gonna try to focus on it. Right there. You see how that pin is sticking out. And I'm gonna compare it with another lifter. See how it's almost flush on each side. So just a little bit recessed. I did look at the cam, and the cam didn't have any noticeable wear on any of the lobes. So that's good. No easy day. Back to the drawing boards we go. If I gotta build this block, I'm gonna be so mad. Man, it's crazy. But if I get one like in this video, I'm gonna full send it. I'm gonna just build it. One like. Let me know, guys. What's the plan? Let me know. I'll do it. I'm freaking do it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next video.